Get it. I'm gonna get your waggy wag.
We may not have been ready, but now she's in the interview, which the internet claims to be later.
Hey, bud. You're nuts. Like, do you not realize you have a tail? I don't understand why you do this. I'm gonna get your waggy wag. Maybe you do it because Mama keeps grabbing it. Are we done? Are we done? I got your waggy wag. It's really sad that I find this so really entertaining. Man, you're funny. Oh, poof. You're funny, puppy. Didn't that hurt? No.